Welcome to Gyan Setu, the Knowledge Bridge. Class 8, Exercise 2.2, Question 9 to 16. Hello everyone. Today we will discuss Class 8, Exercise 2.2. We have completed question number 1 to 8. Today we will discuss from question number 9. There are two boys and the age is given in ratio. 4 years later, sum of their age will be 56. Then we have to find the present age. First, let Rahul's age equals to 5x, Harun's age equals to 7x. After 4 years, we will add 5x plus 4 and 7x plus 4. Then according to question, 5x plus 4 plus 7x plus 4 equals to 56. It is given. Then 5 plus 7, 12x plus 4 plus 4, 8 equals to 56. Here it is add. When it comes to opposite side, it will subtract. 12x equals to 56 minus 8. Then it will be 48. And when we divide by 12, 12 4s are 48. Then Rahul's age 5 into 4 equals to 20 years. And Harun's age equals to 7 into 4, 28 years. See question number 10. Here, number of boys and girls are in ratio 7:5. The number of boys is 8 more than the girls. What is the total strength? Then number of boys is 7x and number of girls will be 5x. According to question, it is given 7x boys is equals to 5x plus 8 more than. Then it comes here 7x minus 5x. It will be 2x. 2x equals to 8. 8 divided by 2. Then x equals to 4. We put the value of x. Number of boys equals to 7 into 4, 28 and 5 4s are 20. Then total strength be 28 plus 20, 48. See question number 11. Here, Baichung's father, Baichung's and Baichung's grandfather. It's given. Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather and 29 years older than the Baichung. The sum of age of all the three is 135. Then we have to find the age of all. We can relate Baichung's father age be x. Then Baichung's age equals to x minus 29 because it is given it is 29 years older than Baichung's. And Baichung's grandfather age equals to x plus 26. Then from according question, these all plus equals to 135 it is given. Then x plus x plus x, 3x, 29 minus 26 minus 3. Minus 29 is greater, 35. Here minus, here it will be added. Then 135 plus 3, 138. When we divide 3, then 3 4s are and 1 3 6 are 46. Then the age of Baichung's father will be 46 Baichung's age equals to 46 minus 29. It will be 17 years. Baichung's grandfather age equals to 46 plus 26. Then it will be 72 years. See question number 12. 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. What is Ravi's present age? We have to find Ravi's present age. Then we take Ravi's present age be x. Then after 15 years equals to 4x. Then we will put the equation x plus 15 equals to 4x. 15 equals to 4x minus x. It will be 3x. Then 15 divided by 3, 5. Therefore, Ravi's age equals to 5 years. Question number 13. A rational number is multiplied with a number it by 5 by 2 and add 2 by 3. To the product you get minus 7 by 2. What is the number? First we take number as x. According to question it is given a number is multiplied by 5 by 2 and add 2 by 3. Then 5 by 2x plus 2 by 3 it gives minus 7 by 12. Then the LCM of 2 and 3, 6. It will be 15 and it will be 4. 15x plus 4. Then we cross multiply. Then it will be 6 comes here. Divide. It will be minus 7 by 2. Now 4 goes here, minus 7 by 2 minus 4. Then the LCM of 2 and 1 is 2, minus 7 minus 8. Minus minus plus. Then it will be 15x equals to minus 15 by 2. Then 15 comes here, then it will be यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है मल्टीप्लाई, तो यहाँ आएगा तो डिवाइड. x इक्वल्स टू माइनस 15 by 2 into 1 by 15. 15 cancel. Then the answer will be minus 1 by 2. Let's see question number 14. It is given Lakshmi is a cashier and she has currency note in 100, 50 and 10. Ratio is given and total cash is given. We have to find how many notes. So first we make 2x, 3x and 5x. Let the number of notes. According to question it is given 2x into 100, 3x into 50, 5x into 10 equals to 4 lakh. It is 200x, 150x and 50. 200, 150, 350 plus 50, 400x. 400 will be divided, then 0, 0, 0, 0. It will be cancel and 4 ones are. Then x का value कितना आ गया 1000. Then 100 note equals to 2 into 1000. 2000 notes. 50 note 3 into 100, 3000 notes and 10, 5 into 1000, 5000 notes. Question number 15. Total number of rupees is given 300 in coins. Rupee 1, 2 and 5. Rupee 2 coin is 3 times the number of rupee 5 coin. The total coin is 160. How many coins we have to pay? Let rupees 5 coin be x. 5 coin को क्या mention किया हमने? X. Then rupees 2 equals to 3 times it is given 3x. And for rupee 1 we have given the total coins is 160. Then we minus 160 minus, we add both the coins, 3x plus x. Then 160 minus 4x. Now we will put the equation. 1 into 160 minus 4x, then 160 and 1 4s are 4x, then 2 3s are 6, 6x and 5x. We have multiplied the rupee, 1 rupee, 2 and 5 rupee. Then 4x and 6, it is 11, 11 minus 4, 7, 7x, 160 comes here, then 300 minus 160, 140, 7x equals to 140, x equals to 140 divided by 7, 7 2s are, then x का value कितना आएगा? 20. Rupee 1 coin will be 160 minus 4 into 20. Then 160 minus 80 equals to कितना coin आएगा? 80 coins. 1 rupee coin equals to 80 coins. 2 rupee equals to 3 into 20. Then 60 coins. And rupee 5 coin equals to 5 into 20, 100 coins. Let's see question number 16. This is the last question of this exercise. There is a organizer of essay competition and they have decided winner, they will get rupees 100 and participant get rupees 25. Total money distributed is given 3000 and participants is 63. We have to find the number of winners. So let the winner be x. Then participant who did not win, 63 minus x, because total participants is given. According to question, x को कितना मिलेगा? Rupees 100. Then 100x plus 25, 63 minus x. This 25 into 63, 1575 means 1575 and 25 into x, 25x equals to 3000. Then 100 minus 25x, 75, 1575 is subtracted. 3000 minus 1575, then the answer will be 1425, and 1425 divided by 75, it gives x का value कितना आएगा? 19. We can divide. Then winner will be 19. तो participants कितना होगा? Who didn't win? 63 minus 19. 13 minus 9, 4, and 5 minus 1, 4. Then it will be 44. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Gyan Se